are here in Judith's hacienda. 100 hectares. You see, this is the Doña. Say hi, Judith.
Oh my goodness, Doña.
Doña Judith, Madam. Yan ang kanyang hacienda. Ang Malagreta ng Taiwan. Grabe din. Yesterday, this is their forest. They own this land here. Look at the river. Where's the river? I cannot see the river yet. Where's the river?
You want to go down?
No! We already amazed with your farm. Yes. We didn't visit the house. We visit our friend. Okay, we're here.